Hey all, welcome to Infobook Technologies YouTube channel. This is Raj Kumar. Today we're going to see about Blender. What is Blender? Blender is a free and open source 3D computer graphics software toolset. It's a 3D creation suite. It supports the entirely of the 3D pipeline modeling, animation, rendering, compositing, and motion tracking, even video editing and game creation. When we open a new Blender application, by default, we will landed in the object mode. In the object mode, you will have minimal options. On your left, the top, if you see, there is object mode. Currently, we are in object mode. If you click the drop down, you can able to see other modes as well. Let it be object mode. So these are the minimal options like cursor, move, rotate, scale, and transformation. Let's go one by one. Cursor, it set the cursor location, drag the transformation like this, and the move, you can move the object into axis based X, Y, and Z. So if you see, here's the axis. Based on this axis, we can get to know what angle the current view is. So next is rotate. You can rotate the object based on the XYZ axis. Next is scale. Scale is to scale the object, like increase, decrease, and increase based on the axis level is possible. And transformation, it supports any combination of graph, rotation, and scale ones. You can scale, you can rotate, and the annotation is just for active data, and the measurement, it measures the distance and the angles. On your right, you will see the properties. So material property and physics properties and practical properties and modifier properties. These are the frequent use. We'll see one by one in the future video. And after you complete the object, you can go for output on this properties, output property. You see, either you can go for with the PNG or the video file, and these are the multiple options for the output. Okay. On currently we are in layout workspace. If you see the top, there are other workspace like modeling, sculpture, UV editing. We'll see one by one in the next video. And on just right to object mode, you will see view, select, add, and object. View is to view the object in a or viewport like camera, top, like top means will be in the x-axis, and view, it is a bottom, will be in the bottom. So instead of going there, you can directly by using click X, Y, Z, you can go with this itself. And before that, in the mouse is a left click is to select the object, the right click is to object context menu, where you can duplicate the object and copy paste and everything. Next is select. Select is for select all visible object. Like for example, if I set box select, it will give you an angle so that you can select as a box. So then next is add. So add is the main component where you will add a number of meshes like plane, cube, and circle, cylinder, and everything. Then object. Object is for effects and duplicate the object and transform and everything. We'll see one by one in the future video. And on the right, You will see zoom option. You can zoom the object and move the view by using like this left click to select, and you can move the object, and this is for camera view. So the question is, where is camera? If you see in the collections, there are three collections are there. One is camera, then cube is this one, and the light. Where is cube? Sorry, where is camera and the light? So how are we going to see that? Let's go to view, frame selected, frame all. We have to click the frame all. So if it is a frame all, you will see the camera. This is the camera and this is the light. On the top, you will see the editor type. There are multiple editors. We will frequently use 3D viewport, the offsheet editor, and graphical editor. Thanks for joining.